Greetings, esteemed viewers. We extend a warm welcome as you return to our channel, where we embark on a captivating journey into the realm of intriguing psychological concepts. Prepare to be enthralled as we unravel thought-provoking ideas that delve deep into the intricacies of the human mind. From the enigmatic depths of consciousness to the intricate web of emotions, our exploration promises to ignite your curiosity and stimulate your intellect. With each revelation, we aim to provoke contemplation and inspire newfound insights into the complexities of the human psyche. Through engaging discussions and insightful analyses, we aim to unveil the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of everyday interactions and experiences. From the subtle nuances of body language to the profound impact of social influences, our exploration knows no bounds. Before we begin, if you like the topic of this video, please comment with OK. If you don't, please share your preferred topics so I can make better videos in the future. Now, let's begin. Have you ever paused to contemplate the intriguing insights unearthed by recent surveys probing into female perceptions of satisfaction regarding their partner's anatomical dimensions? It's quite astonishing. A significant 83% of women surveyed have openly and unabashedly expressed contentment with the size of their partner's penis. This revelation not only serves to illuminate the diverse spectrum of perceptions surrounding sexual satisfaction, but also serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate tapestry that is human desire and intimacy. Moreover, the realm of scientific inquiry has delved into yet another fascinating topic: the correlation between chocolate consumption and the amplification of arousal levels during moments of intimacy. Yes, you heard it correctly. Engaging in the consumption of chocolate delicacies before indulging in moments of intimacy has been empirically demonstrated to yield a notable surge in arousal. This tantalizing discovery not only injects a delicious twist into the age-old discourse on aphrodisiacs, but also introduces a delectable dimension to the nuanced landscape of human desire and pleasure. Indeed, these revelatory findings beckon us to embark on a journey of introspection, inviting us to contemplate the intricate interplay between sensory experiences, physiological responses, and the attainment of emotional gratification within the realm of human sexuality. From the alluring aroma of chocolate to the subtle nuances of physical attraction, each revelation serves as a portal into the multifaceted tapestry of human intimacy and desire. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for that tempting piece of chocolate, allow yourself to ponder the myriad possibilities it may hold for your romantic escapades. Let us not forget, whether it be the dimensions of one's partner or the indulgence in culinary delights, the voyage of exploration and discovery in matters of the heart knows no bounds. Intriguingly, within the realm of human sexuality, there exists a fascinating phenomenon where certain women derive pleasure from engaging in the act of self-stimulation by licking their breasts and genitals. This revelation provides a captivating glimpse into the diverse spectrum of individual sexual preferences and desires, underscoring the rich tapestry of human eroticism. Upon delving deeper into this phenomenon, it becomes evident that the act of self-licking is not merely a physical sensation, but also encompasses complex emotional and psychological dimensions. For some individuals, the act of self-licking may serve as a means of self-exploration and empowerment, allowing them to intimately connect with and explore their bodies in ways that elicit pleasure and satisfaction. Furthermore, the practice of self-licking can be viewed through the lens of eroticism and sensory indulgence, where the stimulation of erogenous zones elicits heightened sensations of arousal and gratification. The interplay between touch, taste, and sensation adds a layer of complexity to the act, transforming it into a deeply personal and intimate experience. Additionally, it's worth considering the societal and cultural factors that may influence individual attitudes towards self-pleasure and exploration. While some may embrace self-licking as a natural and liberating expression of sexuality, others may approach it with hesitation or shame due to societal taboos and stigmas surrounding sexual expression. The phenomenon of women deriving pleasure from licking their breasts and genitals offers a thought-provoking glimpse into the diverse and nuanced landscape of human sexuality. It underscores the importance of embracing individual sexual preferences and desires free from judgment or societal constraints, and encourages a deeper understanding and acceptance of the myriad ways in which individuals experience pleasure and intimacy. Furthermore, it's imperative to acknowledge and appreciate the natural bodily function of urination during sexual intercourse, recognizing it as an intrinsic aspect of human physiology that warrants understanding and acceptance. Contrary to misconceptions or societal taboos surrounding this topic, urination during sexual activity is a normal occurrence that carries no adverse consequences for the individuals involved. Delving deeper into this subject, it becomes evident that the act of urination during sexual intercourse is a manifestation of the body's natural mechanisms and responses. It arises from the physiological processes that occur within the urinary system, which may be stimulated or influenced by various factors such as arousal, pressure on the bladder, or positional changes during sexual activity. Moreover, it's essential to dispel any misconceptions or stigma associated with urination during sexual intercourse and recognize it as a natural and harmless occurrence. Understanding the underlying mechanisms and physiological factors at play can foster a sense of reassurance and acceptance, allowing individuals to embrace their bodies and experiences without fear or shame. Furthermore, it's worth highlighting that urination during sexual intercourse poses no inherent risk to sexual health or well-being. Medical experts affirm that the expulsion of urine during sexual activity does not increase the likelihood of urinary tract infections or other health complications, provided that proper hygiene practices are maintained. Acknowledging and normalizing the occurrence of urination during sexual intercourse is essential for promoting a healthy and inclusive understanding of human sexuality. By dispelling myths and misconceptions, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of comfort and acceptance with their bodies and experiences, fostering more fulfilling and satisfying intimate connections. Frequent sexual activity may enhance a man's sperm quality, decrease DNA damage in sperm, and boost fertility. Research presented by the European Society of Human Reproduction and Embryology highlights that men who engaged in daily sexual activity or ejaculated daily exhibited significantly improved semen quality after a week compared to those who abstained. The study's findings indicate that daily ejaculation can lead to a higher concentration of viable sperm, thus potentially increasing the chances of conception. This discovery is particularly relevant for couples experiencing mild fertility issues, offering a simple and natural method to enhance reproductive success. Sperm DNA integrity is crucial for successful fertilization and healthy embryo development. Regular ejaculation might help by reducing the accumulation of older, potentially damaged sperm, thereby increasing the proportion of fresh, healthy sperm available for fertilization. This natural approach can be an effective strategy to improve male fertility without the need for medical interventions, which can be costly and invasive. Additionally, the findings suggest that couples trying to conceive might benefit from adopting a more consistent sexual routine. It's important to note that while this method appears beneficial for improving sperm quality and overall fertility, it may not address more severe underlying fertility issues. Therefore, couples should consider consulting with a healthcare provider or fertility specialist to explore all available options. Nonetheless, the study underscores the potential advantages of frequent ejaculation in maintaining optimal sperm health, making it a practical consideration for those seeking to enhance their reproductive outcomes naturally. This approach not only aligns with a proactive stance on fertility, but also supports the overall well-being and intimacy within a relationship, contributing positively to both partners' journey towards parenthood. Following the act of masturbation, a remarkable physiological event occurs within the male reproductive system, the ejaculation of approximately 50 million spermatozoa. This fascinating process underscores the intricacies of human reproduction and highlights the remarkable capabilities of the male reproductive organs. To delve deeper into this phenomenon, it's essential to understand the complex interplay of biological processes that culminate in ejaculation. During arousal, the male reproductive system undergoes a series of intricate physiological changes, including the production and accumulation of sperm within the testes. As sexual stimulation intensifies, the muscles surrounding the reproductive organs contract rhythmically, propelling the sperm through the vas deferens and ultimately expelling them through the urethra in a fluid called semen. The sheer magnitude of spermatozoa ejaculated during masturbation is a testament to the extraordinary reproductive capacity of the male body. Each sperm cell carries the genetic material necessary for fertilization, representing the potential for new life to be conceived under optimal conditions. It's important to recognize the significance of sperm production and ejaculation in the broader context of human fertility and reproductive health. While the exact number of sperm cells ejaculated may vary from individual to individual, the process itself remains a vital component of male reproductive function, playing a crucial role in the perpetuation of the human species. The ejaculation of approximately 50 million spermatozoa following masturbation serves as a compelling reminder of the intricate processes that govern human reproduction. By gaining a deeper understanding of this phenomenon, we can foster a greater appreciation for the marvels of the human body and the complexities of sexual biology. Men can experience orgasm without ejaculation, as these are two separate physiological responses. According to Zanet Pele, a sex educator and author of Living an Orgasmic Life, although ejaculation typically follows an orgasm, they occur in rapid succession, with orgasm preceding ejaculation and tapering off as ejaculation happens. This distinction opens up the possibility for men to learn how to have orgasms without ejaculating by practicing techniques such as mindful breathing, pelvic floor exercises, and edging, bringing oneself close to the point of ejaculation and then stopping. Men can gain control over these responses. Learning to separate orgasm from ejaculation can lead to multiple orgasms, extended sexual pleasure, and potentially greater satisfaction for both partners. This practice can also help in delaying ejaculation, addressing issues such as premature ejaculation, and allowing for longer, more intimate encounters. Understanding and mastering this ability involves recognizing the subtle cues of impending ejaculation and consciously pulling back to maintain the orgasmic state. This skill requires practice and patience, but can significantly enhance sexual experiences by prolonging pleasure and maintaining high levels of arousal. Furthermore, this differentiation can be empowering, giving men greater control over their sexual responses and reducing performance anxiety. The journey to achieving non-ejaculatory orgasms can also foster deeper communication and connection with a partner, as it often requires mutual understanding and cooperation. By exploring this aspect of male sexuality, men can discover new dimensions of pleasure and intimacy, enriching their sexual lives and overall well-being. This knowledge not only broadens the horizons of sexual fulfillment, but also contributes to a more nuanced understanding of male sexual health and function. Moreover, it's worth exploring the profound implications that arise when a woman takes the initiative to bestow oral pleasure upon her partner. This act transcends the physical realm and delves into the intricacies of emotional intimacy and connection, signifying a depth of satisfaction that extends beyond mere vaginal penetration. To delve deeper into this phenomenon, it's essential to consider the multifaceted dynamics that underlie sexual pleasure and fulfillment within intimate relationships. While vaginal penetration undoubtedly holds significance in the realm of sexual activity, the act of oral stimulation carries its unique symbolism and meaning. When a woman takes the initiative to engage in oral pleasure, it signifies a willingness to explore and prioritize her partner's pleasure and satisfaction. It represents a selfless gesture of affection and intimacy aimed at providing intense pleasure and gratification to her partner. Furthermore, the act of oral stimulation fosters a sense of mutual trust, vulnerability, and openness within the relationship. It creates a space for uninhibited communication and expression of desires, allowing partners to connect on a deeper emotional level beyond the physical realm. Moreover, oral pleasure serves as a means of enhancing sexual arousal and satisfaction for both partners, offering a diverse range of sensations and experiences that contribute to a fulfilling sexual encounter. The intimate act of oral stimulation allows partners to explore each other's bodies with a sense of curiosity, passion, and attentiveness, fostering a deeper sense of intimacy and connection. When a woman takes the initiative to provide oral pleasure to her partner, it symbolizes a profound level of satisfaction and intimacy that transcends conventional notions of sexual gratification. It exemplifies the importance of mutual pleasure, communication, and emotional connection within intimate relationships, enriching the sexual experience and strengthening the bond between partners. Women have multiple erogenous zones, with the clitoris, the G-spot, and the opening of the cervix being among the most sensitive and commonly recognized. The clitoris is a highly sensitive organ with a high concentration of nerve endings, making it a central focus for sexual pleasure. Its stimulation can lead to intense arousal and orgasms. The G-spot, located about 2 to 3 inches inside the vaginal canal on the anterior wall, is another significant erogenous zone. When stimulated, it can produce powerful sensations and even induce ejaculation in some women. The opening of the cervix, though often overlooked, can also be a source of deep pleasure for some women, particularly during certain phases of the menstrual cycle when it may be more sensitive. Additionally, many argue that nipples should be included in this list due to their high sensitivity and the pleasure derived from their stimulation. For many women, nipple stimulation can be incredibly arousing and even lead to orgasm. The inclusion of nipples highlights the diversity and variability of female sexual pleasure, as different women may find different areas of their bodies more responsive than others. Understanding and exploring these erogenous zones can significantly enhance sexual experiences and satisfaction. Each zone offers unique sensations, and their stimulation can contribute to a more comprehensive and fulfilling sexual experience. Men have a G-spot too, often referred to as the male G-spot, which is actually the prostate. This walnut-sized gland is located about 2 inches inside the rectum and can be accessed via the perineum, the area between the anus and scrotum, or through the anus. The prostate is an incredibly sensitive organ and can open up a new realm of pleasure when stimulated. Many men and their partners find prostate stimulation to be highly enjoyable, whether done manually or with the use of toys. This practice, sometimes referred to as pegging when a woman uses a strap-on to stimulate her partner's prostate, can greatly enhance sexual experiences. Overcoming initial reservations or the ick factor can lead to discovering the profound pleasure associated with prostate play. Beyond the sexual benefits, prostate health is crucial, as this gland can become uncomfortable if it gets backed up or swollen. Moreover, the prostate is the site of the most common non-skin cancer in America, directly impacting more than 150,000 men each year. Regular prostate stimulation may aid in maintaining its health, potentially reducing discomfort and the risk of issues. By incorporating prostate play into their sexual repertoire, couples can not only enrich their intimate lives, but also contribute to better prostate health. This dual benefit makes exploring the male G-spot an appealing option for many. Embracing prostate stimulation can enhance mutual trust and communication in a relationship, paving the way for deeper connections and new dimensions of pleasure. Understanding and appreciating the male G-spot allows couples to expand their sexual horizons, while also being mindful of the significant health considerations associated with this vital organ. It's truly astonishing to contemplate the intricate anatomy of the vagina and the remarkable transformations it undergoes during moments of sexual stimulation. While the average length of the vagina typically measures around 3 inches, its capacity for expansion during arousal is nothing short of astounding, often increasing by a staggering 200%. To delve deeper into this fascinating phenomenon, one must appreciate the body's ability to adapt and respond to various forms of stimulation, facilitating a more profound and satisfying sexual experience. It's crucial to understand the complex interplay of physiological processes that occur within the female reproductive system. The vagina, a muscular canal lined with delicate mucous membranes, possesses remarkable elasticity, allowing it to adapt and respond to various stimuli. During moments of sexual arousal, the vaginal walls undergo a series of dynamic changes orchestrated by a surge in blood flow and hormonal fluctuations. This heightened state of arousal triggers the relaxation of the pelvic floor muscles and the dilation of the vaginal canal, creating an expansive environment conducive to sexual intercourse and pleasurable sensations. Moreover, the capacity for vaginal expansion serves a vital function in facilitating sexual pleasure and reproductive success. By accommodating the insertion of the penis or other objects, the vagina enables the process of sexual intercourse and promotes the deposition of sperm within the reproductive tract, thereby increasing the likelihood of fertilization and conception. Furthermore, it's essential to recognize that the ability of the vagina to expand during sexual stimulation varies from individual to individual and may be influenced by factors such as arousal level, vaginal tone, and overall pelvic floor health. Nevertheless, the capacity for significant expansion underscores the remarkable adaptability and resilience of the female reproductive anatomy. The astounding ability of the vagina to expand by up to 200% during stimulation serves as a testament to the intricacies of human sexuality and reproductive biology. It highlights the wondrous capabilities of the female body and underscores the importance of understanding and appreciating the complexities of sexual anatomy and function. Furthermore, it's worth delving into the fascinating realm of how sexual activity can impact the immune system and alleviate pain through the release of hormones. This remarkable connection between sexual activity, immunity, and pain relief sheds light on the multifaceted ways in which our bodies respond to intimate encounters. The pulsations a woman experiences during orgasm are more than just pleasurable contractions. They are part of a physiological process aimed at enhancing fertility. These rhythmic contractions involve the uterus and its supporting structures in a coordinated effort to optimize the chances of conception. Specifically, the round ligaments which extend to the labia majora play a crucial role. During orgasm, these ligaments cause the uterus to rock back and forth, a motion that positions the cervix in a way that it can effectively scoop up semen that may have collected at the back of the vagina. This mechanism increases the likelihood that sperm will travel through the cervix and into the uterus, making their way toward the egg for fertilization. This intricate process underscores the body's remarkable design for reproduction, where pleasure and procreation intersect. The enhanced sperm uptake facilitated by orgasmic contractions not only maximizes the chances of conception, but also highlights the importance of sexual pleasure in reproductive health. By creating an optimal environment for sperm transport, these contractions ensure that sperm are given the best possible opportunity to reach and fertilize the egg. This understanding sheds light on the evolutionary benefits of orgasm beyond its immediate pleasure, emphasizing its role in human fertility. Furthermore, this knowledge can deepen the appreciation of the sexual experience, recognizing it as an essential part of reproductive success. Couples trying to conceive can take comfort in knowing that their intimate moments are not only a source of connection and enjoyment, but also a natural way to enhance their fertility. This insight into the biological functions during orgasm reaffirms the interconnectedness of sexual health and reproductive outcomes, making the experience both meaningful and purposeful. To delve deeper into this intriguing phenomenon, it's essential to understand the complex interplay of physiological processes that occur within the body during sexual activity. One key mechanism at play is the release of endorphins, often referred to as the body's natural painkillers. These feel-good hormones flood the bloodstream during moments of sexual arousal and activity, resulting in a sensation of euphoria and pleasure while simultaneously dulling sensations of pain. Moreover, sexual activity has been shown to stimulate the production of oxytocin, often dubbed the love hormone or bonding hormone. Oxytocin plays a crucial role in fostering emotional connections and promoting feelings of intimacy and trust between partners. Additionally, it has been linked to reduced levels of stress and anxiety, which can further contribute to overall well-being and immune function. Furthermore, engaging in sexual activity has been associated with a boost in immune function, thanks to the release of various hormones and neurotransmitters that modulate the body's immune response. Studies have shown that regular sexual activity can lead to increased levels of immunoglobulin A, IgA, an antibody that plays a vital role in defending against infections and pathogens. In addition to its immune-boosting effects, sexual activity has also been linked to improved cardiovascular health, reduced risk of certain chronic diseases, and enhanced overall well-being. The physical exertion involved in sexual intercourse can promote circulation, lower blood pressure, and strengthen the cardiovascular system, leading to a healthier and more resilient body. The connection between sexual activity, immunity, and pain relief underscores the profound impact that intimacy and pleasure can have on our physical and emotional well-being. By understanding and appreciating the intricate interplay of hormones and physiological processes at play, we can gain a deeper insight into the holistic benefits of sexual expression and intimacy in promoting overall health and happiness. It's intriguing to note that a relatively small percentage, specifically 18%, of women achieve orgasm solely through vaginal penetration, shining a light on the diverse and nuanced nature of female pleasure. This revelation challenges traditional notions of sexual satisfaction and underscores the importance of recognizing the multifaceted aspects of female sexuality. To delve deeper into this phenomenon, it's essential to explore the complex interplay of physiological, psychological, and emotional factors that contribute to female arousal and orgasm. While vaginal penetration undoubtedly plays a role in sexual pleasure for many women, it's just one piece of the intricate puzzle that constitutes female sexuality. Indeed, research suggests that the clitoris, often referred to as the primary source of female sexual pleasure, plays a central role in achieving orgasm for the majority of women. The clitoris contains thousands of nerve endings, making it highly sensitive to stimulation and capable of producing intense sensations of pleasure when aroused. Furthermore, the notion that vaginal penetration alone is sufficient to induce orgasm overlooks the importance of other erogenous zones and forms of stimulation that can contribute to female arousal and climax. From manual stimulation to oral sex to the exploration of fantasies and desires. The pathways to female orgasm are as diverse and varied as the women who experience them. Moreover, societal attitudes and cultural norms surrounding female sexuality can influence women's perceptions of pleasure and orgasm. Messages promoting the idea that vaginal penetration is the pinnacle of sexual satisfaction may inadvertently contribute to feelings of inadequacy or frustration among women who do not experience orgasm through this method alone. The statistic revealing that only 18% of women achieve orgasm solely through vaginal penetration serves as a reminder of the rich tapestry of female sexuality. By acknowledging and celebrating the diversity of experiences and preferences among women, we can foster a more inclusive and empowering understanding of female pleasure and satisfaction. Based on extensive psychological research, it has been observed that women with smaller breast sizes may encounter challenges in experiencing heightened arousal during sexual intercourse. This intriguing finding sheds light on the intricate connections between physical attributes and sexual pleasure, underscoring the diverse ways in which individual preferences and perceptions influence intimate encounters. Moreover, the warmth emanating from a woman's vagina during moments of sexual intimacy can evoke a range of sensations, including a notable burning sensation in the genitals of her male partner. This phenomenon highlights the complex interplay of sensory experiences and physiological responses that characterize sexual arousal and pleasure. Furthermore, it's noteworthy to consider the dynamic nature of a woman's breasts during sexual intercourse. It has been documented that breasts may change in size and firmness as a result of increased blood flow and arousal during intimate moments. This augmentation in breast size can enhance the sensory experience for both partners, adding an extra dimension of pleasure and excitement to the encounter. Delving deeper into these observations, it becomes apparent that sexual arousal and satisfaction are influenced by a myriad of factors, including physical attributes, sensory stimuli, and emotional connections. The interaction between partners during sexual activity involves a complex dance of sensations, desires, and responses, each contributing to the overall experience of pleasure and intimacy. Furthermore, societal norms and cultural perceptions surrounding physical appearance and sexual performance can impact individuals' perceptions of pleasure and satisfaction. Women with smaller breasts may experience feelings of insecurity or inadequacy due to societal standards of beauty, while men may feel pressure to perform or satisfy their partners in certain ways. The insights gleaned from psychological research underscore the importance of understanding and embracing the diverse range of experiences and preferences that characterize human sexuality. By recognizing and celebrating the unique attributes and desires of each individual, we can cultivate a more inclusive and empowering approach to sexual intimacy. If you found the content of this video to be enlightening and insightful, we extend our sincere gratitude and invite you to show your support by engaging with our channel. Your likes, shares, and comments serve as valuable feedback, encouraging us to continue exploring and sharing fascinating insights into the realm of psychology. Furthermore, we encourage you to explore our diverse array of videos, each offering a unique perspective on important psychological phenomena and concepts. From the complexities of human behavior to the intricacies of emotional intelligence, our videos aim to shed light on topics that are relevant and impactful to everyone's lives. By delving into our video library, you'll discover a treasure trove of knowledge that can enrich your understanding of yourself and the world around you. Whether you're seeking practical tips for improving mental well-being or simply curious about the latest research findings in psychology, our videos are designed to inform, inspire, and empower. Additionally, your engagement with our channel helps us reach a wider audience, spreading awareness of important psychological facts and principles that everyone should be aware of. By sharing our videos with your friends, family, and social networks, you're contributing to a collective conversation about mental health, human behavior, and personal growth. In closing, we express our heartfelt appreciation for your continued support and invite you to join us on our journey of exploration and discovery. Together, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of the complexities of the human mind and harness the power of psychology to enhance our lives and the lives of those around us.